and fire, raised in rain, different colors, same old pain. We build our cities, break our dreams, still we're chasing what it means. Hearts are heavy, streets are cold, but we won't let the silence hold. We rise, we fall, we rise again. This fight is love, we don't pretend. Under the skin, we're all the same, running through shadows, calling out names. But I hear a voice, it's loud, it's clear. It says, we still belong here. One heart, one light, burning through the endless night. One world, one chance, let's walk this road as friends. We bleed, we break, but we don't fade. We stand, we fight, we are one heart, we are one light. No flags can cage what we believe. No border stops what we can be. We speak in thunder, move in flame. We're not alone, we've got a name. Don't need perfection, just the spark to light the hope inside the dark. We scream, we cry, we sing again. For every soul, for every friend, and every scar has made us strong. Deep in the silence, way too long, but now we roar, the time is near. We rise, no more fear. One heart, one light, burning through the endless night. One world, one chance, let's walk this road.